going to show you how to attach a video royalty-free video file into your audio narration or any kind of audio file, so that you can upload it into YouTube, because YouTube does not let you upload a simple audio file. You need to turn it into a video file. So okay, let's start. um, okay, so first I'm going to take a audio file from any kind of audio file, although I'm not going to upload it into YouTube because they are not exactly royalty free. But anyway, um, Dr. Music from Dr. Gamer. Let's just take this. I pasted it here. Let's see if the video is working or not. Okay, this works. And now I'm going to show you that I have some collection of royalty free video. You see that I have downloaded from from where you can download for free. I'm not going to mention it because YouTube, it might go against YouTube policy, so I will not tell you from where I downloaded them, but I downloaded them anyway. So let's just take a look at this. This one is a simple um, gibberish video anyway. So I'm going to add this video into that audio file. So I am going to use Filmora, Wondershare Filmora, which I think it's not for free, but I'm going to use this anyway. I think you can find a way to use it without registering or using a lot of money. So now I'm going to import that file first. This audio file. This one is the audio file, as you can see. And where is my? So I have added this audio file here. And let's see which one is it. Okay, this one is the video file. I'm going to copy it here on the desktop, so that I can find it easily from here. You can see that I'm just going to drag it here. Okay, I added this here. Just click this plus button and it will add the file here, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger, larger. So here, see, this is the audio file, Dr. Grayman here, and this is the video file here. Okay, let's just, if I play it, I don't know if you can hear this, but the Grayman audio is playing on the background, and this video is playing. Anyway, I'm going to first. I'm not sure if this video file has audio or not, so let's just anyway. Let's see. Audio details. Well, if this video file has a audio file itself, then you will see this option active, so that you can audio detach it and then delete the audio, because you don't need that audio. So now I'm just going to copy it by selecting it and Control C, and then just paste it by Control V. See, now And now this video will keep playing on the and the music will be playing on the background. Okay, so now what you need to do is click here on the export desktop. This setting is I selected this setting because you can see that this is 1280 by 720, because if you select bigger than that, the file size will be enormous. So this is my setting. You can make it a bit more better or best if your video is important. But here the video is not important, so only the audio file. It depends on what kind of content you have. So I'm going to export it. It will take some time depending on your computer's processing power. So well, I'm going to pause the video now, and when it's done, I'll show you. Here you can see that mission is completed. So I'm going to click close, and the destination is desktop. I mean, that is here. So let's just cross it and cross the thing. No.